So I had this lovely girl I used to try, and I just couldn't, every time I couldn't find her house. And I had to go to PCO and call her. And it was very embarrassing because my manhood would be in question, unable to find the house. It's like, I've reached Tulip's apartment. The third
Yet
time.
another Wavelash.
Yeah.
Wavelash is there everywhere.
Why do they have all these names?
And
though?
the sea was like retreated 10 kilometers away, but it's still called
Why do we
Sea
have these
View.
names? Like
Arey, but because
tulips
the
and
sea was
seashells
around
and
and all.
whatever.
Yeah.
And then the guy who built the building doesn't speak a word of English also. It's like, it's called like Othello Apartments.
You have...
हाँ यार मैंने बिल्डिंग बनाया था Othello ऐसा नाम सुना मैंने एक बार हवाई जहाज में and I thought good name. Name 10 actors with wigs and go.
10 and all, I don't know.
You see
Even
one of
one, I
them?
don't know.
Huh?
But lots of them would have to wear
Do the
wigs.
females
for the
have
shoot.
wigs?
No, in India, nobody like really wears wigs unless they have to do 2 timelines and then they have to, Actually, there have been wigs through our shoots. Of course, in Lagan, there were so many women with wigs.
Yeah.
Because they had to like have those curls and weird things. And it was a pain because it was so hot. And not just wigs, the beards were the worst. Because
Women
in the
with Beards
heat-
is my favorite movie. I'm going to watch this again. Wow, wigs and beards.
Oh God! All those guys, and they used to beg us to not have to wear them because then when you're
sweat.
waiting for your shot,
Yeah.
it's I mean, old school, the sticking on and all
we
the
used
rest
to use
of
that
it.
on
Yeah.
MTV as well, that terrible gum, the
Yeah,
gum
that
that you use
gum and the
on
net
envelopes.
that begins to scratch you, and then taking it off to eat. It was all
Taking
horrible.
off, and the smell of that glue
Yeah.
stays, I don't know
Yeah.
if you've ever used it, but
I've
it's
never,
horrible. horrible.
thankfully,
And
had to
because
wear
the
a
sweat
wig,
keeps,
a beard.
no, when you're sweating, and I sweat a lot, and so they would keep putting it back on you. So by the end of the day, you've got like this much glue all over your
Yeah,
face.
it's terrible.
All right, How Much She Talks is the name of the show. Because just before rolling, Kiran has just been going on and my ears are paining here, really. Just unbelievable.
I have to get to know you, Cyrus.
I know it's very scary, honestly. It doesn't take long. As my wife says, 2 minutes. Okay, I'm exaggerating. I'm old now. But let's start at the beginning of this show, which is, Kiran, nice to have you here.
Thank
I want to just quickly say, since I mentioned my wife, she went and saw Lapata Ladies with Ladies.
Lapata.
Lapata.
What is lapata?
No, don't ask me. Why
It's
do you
Lapata.
But why would you
Cyrus,
name it
Lapata
Lapata
means what?
and then expect me to say it correctly? That's
What do you think it means? First explain.
I don't know. She was going on about it, but I fell asleep. With due respect, it's just because that's not your movie. That's my wife.
Terrible. You're horrible.
She's a very poor storyteller.
She's fabulous. I watch her on your show. I'm a
I think
fan
she worked
of
on
hers.
Dhobi Ghat also as a photographer.
Did
because I
she?
remember fetching her in Baikala. You shot a little bit in South Bombay.
Yeah.
So
lots.
I fetched her in the night a couple of times, and I think she was working on the set. I don't know why she was there.
Oh, wow.
But you won't remember her.
I don't. I mean,
tall,
I'm a big.
mustache. no, that's not her. That's not
I
her.
love watching her on your show.
Oh,
I'm a fan
on
of
our
hers.
Insta, you mean?
Yeah.
That's where we are.
Yeah.
It's not a special show. It's not like one of those Saas Bhi Kabhi Aisha thi. It's not that. But no. So she's a big fan, and no, they went. All ladies group went to see Lapata Ladies.
Ah.
Huh?
You can say ta also, lapata.
I can say when I'm angry, like teri maa. Then I say immediately. I'm going to be angry. My Hindi is better when I'm angry. That's why I've noticed that. And it's horrible when you're on a date as a young man with a Hindi-speaking girl. Because all you can say is, teri bag shot! And then, to impress her. Why are we having this conversation?
This is how you impress the girls who speak Hindi.
I didn't impress any girls.
Clearly.
No, I'm not one of those guys, now that we're discussing me, who has a problem with language and culture in that sense.
Oh, no?
And like, some guys say, oh, she doesn't speak English, I can't date her, or she's poor or rich, or, whatever, vernacular, all these words you would hear. I've never had that problem.
Oh.
I like the ladies.
Okay.
That's never an issue with me.
Okay.
The problem
Language
is
and
they don't
culture,
like me.
no ba.
Yeah, all that, that way I'm a good human being.
Okay.
But that's about it. After that, I can't tell you. Can we go back to
Yeah.
Lapata?
Yeah. Lapata.
Because they just saw it, recently, and the whole lot went and she came back and she told me, you have to see this movie. This is a fantastic. So I'm going to tell you, there are a lot of people who really like your work.
Thank you.
I mean, I'm sure you know. But what I mean is, there's a huge difference in people who watch a film, it's popular, and they come back and they acknowledge it because of the popularity, etc. And then there's those people who really admire someone. So I'm just saying that. Let me get
So
the
nice.
praise out of the way.
Thank you.
Then we can have fun.
Yeah, I've got a lot of love for this film. I'm really happy.
So let's take us through it, since I didn't hear anything Aisha said.
Ha.
We'll start there and we'll go back into your life.
Lapata is
What does
basically...
lapata mean? Give one lapat.
No.
Lapat? Bengali mein lapat hai, no? What are you behind the camera? Is this joker trying to teach me? His Hindi is one octave higher than mine. He's not Premchand from any angle. I like the way they are. Relatively, I'm a little
But
better.
everybody's heard of Lapata.
Ah.
Lapata is not a word, firstly. I don't know which Bombay it belongs to.
Oh,
But,
wow. I praised you and you did a South Bombay smack. Ouchie.
Firstly, earlier you told me suburban girl and all. Huh?
I once dated a girl who lived in those
You
days.
should
There
call
was
me
no
villager.
ceiling.
I come from Bandra
No,
villages.
again, see, I never had that problem.
Oh.
My problem was I couldn't reach the place because there was no link wink and all that. And Bandra lanes are very tough for me. I've never understood them. I don't know how you guys can manage. They all look the same. They can say 12th road, 14th road, 15th road. That's all. What are you like? Aryabhatta sitting there and counting roads? It's impossible. So I had this lovely girl I used to try and I just couldn't. Every time I couldn't find a house. And I had to go to PCO and call her. And it was very embarrassing because my manhood would be in question and unable to find the house. It's like, I've reached Tulip's apartment. The third
Yet
time.
another wave lash.
Yeah.
Wave lash is there everywhere.
Why do they have all these names?
And
though?
the sea was like retreated 10 kilometers away, but it's still called
Why do we
sea
have these
view.
names? Like
Arey, but because
tulips
the
and
sea was
seashells
around
and
and all.
whatever.
Yeah.
And then the guy who built the building doesn't speak a word of English also. It's like, it's called like Othello Apartments.
You have-
हाँ यार मैंने बिल्डिंग बनाया था Othello ऐसा नाम सुना मैंने एक बार हवाई जहाज में and I thought good name.
Well, Lapata means missing. Bringing you back
Bringing
to,
me back. This
to
is good
my-
anchoring, guys.
Correct.
Yeah.
Just in case you were really interested in my film. Just saying.
I said the wife loved it. The whole bunch of, by the way, it was all female.
How
group.
rude that you've not gone to see it,
No,
Cyrus.
that it's not to do with you or any films. I don't watch movies because I can't stay up at night.
You can go in the day. There are day shows. And it's still running in the 8th
My day is
week.
packed.
Thank
See,
you. Thank you.
Can I explain my life?
Say.
It's still running.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Dude.
That's not bad.
Not bad at all.
I mean, most Hindi films collapse in 3 days and they're super hits.
It's lovely because people seem to be going to watch it and are enjoying
See?
it. So it's word
That's
of
quality.
mouth. So,
It's
yeah.
like the thing that grows slowly
Correct.
and keeps going.
Now can I drink my hot water?
You can drink your hot water and then I will bathe with it. Because that's what I do with hot water. Where were we? Yeah, so the night is the issue. I get up too early. I get up at 4:30. I was a huge fan of the Patanjali man. I won't take his name. Baba Ramdev.
Okay.
And so I follow his principle of 4:30 wake up, stretch both legs, turn around, look at the sun, not there, wait 2 hours. So we have the same concepts, etc. Anyway, to cut a long story short, so by evening I'm really tired. Like, if I have to do events or any work to earn money, I really suffer now.
4:30 is a bit ridiculous. It's night. The sun is
But
not up.
That's why I can't. I watch one IPL inning and then I go to sleep. I can't do more. So that's literally like 9:50, 9:20. And when they stretch the innings, I'm like, come on, man. Maybe they take
9:50,
long.
9:20 you go to sleep?
Yeah. Earlier,
Amazing,
sometimes. But
Cyrus.
because of the IPL, 9:20. 9:15. Yesterday was 9:14. That's
4:30
exactly the
is
last
supposed
ball.
to be that like hour of like actual inspirational work happens.
A
and
nose
all.
comes and touches my cheek at 4:30. Peter, my dog. And then he says, let's go down. Then I go get Mary, who likes to sleep up. And then we both go, 3 of us go for a walk. It's nice early morning.
Nice.
There are no Indians. I mean, very few.
Apart from your dogs.
Well, they're not. He's
They're
Saluki,
Parsi.
so he's Iranian. And she's Mugdolish mix, so she could be Arabi.
Mudhol hounds are quietly from Karnataka. Keep
Yeah,
quiet.
but the Arab traders brought them in, etc. Nice, you know your
Someone
dogs.
has gone.
Look at her, giving me some lapet after some lapet. Lapeta ladies, I'll call it from now.
Lapetas, yeah.
Can we finish
That's
our
it.
story?
So Lapata means missing.
Did you know that?
Yeah, of course.
Don't
they
say,
knew
of
that.
course.
Dude.
Look at this acting, yeah.
Arey, it's a very common word.
One Catholic and one Bengali. What do they know about Hindi between them?
You've never-
Hey, for him, all genders are the same, by the way. This is before wokeism.
So it means anyway, it means missing. Now
to me
it's
like
about
I'm
2
7.
girls.
Yeah.
It's about 2 young brides who go with this like sort of gungat. They're actually set about 23 years ago, 2001.
Like
And
now
they're in
we
rural
are in a
India.
very liberal country and that doesn't happen.
Never happens.
Yeah.
Can't imagine that it happened 23 years ago. And they are kind of like young brides leaving by train. And it's like that time of year when lots of people are getting married. So there are lots of these brides in Gungat. And this couple that are going on the train, he takes his bride home, and when he lifts the gungat, it's someone else.
It's a man.
different girl.
Oh,
no,
it's a girl,
Next,
no?
that's a sequel. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be a totally different. I mean, Lapat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he takes the wrong girl home, and his bride, who's a young, really innocent girl called Phool, gets left behind in this railway station. She's never left home before. So it's for her it's this journey trying to get back home, and the girl whom he brings home is kind of like a shady lady, and they have to figure out what her deal is, what is she up to. So the film is really about these two girls and their kind of journey to where they want to get.
Is there a Rajpal Yadav funny track in the middle?
No.
Damn it.
There's a Ravi Kishan funny track.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I like
He's
him.
a cop. He's
Yeah.
this slimy cop.
Yeah.
And he's really funny and really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
He's standing for elections, no?
Yeah.
Oh. More power to him.
Okay.
Yeah. Which
Yeah.
party?
BJP. I
Yes,
think.
you're right. No lapata on that one. All good so far. Okay, so that was it, and the film's been hugely appreciated. But now, can we go back and trace your life a little bit? Very interesting things I read also. You're a Sophia Polytech, isn't it?
I actually went to the Polytech for a couple of months. I enjoyed Jaru and her
Chiru,
brilliance
the
for a
feminist.
few months.
My God.
And P. Sainath was one of the lecturers.
Yes,
then.
P. Sainath. These are legends from our part of the world. Yeah.
From our part of the world? No, in the world.
Oh, okay.
Sainath
Just
was
for the record,
legend
my
in the
mother,
world,
my
even
aunt, my
Jaru
wife,
is, as
all
far as I'm-
Sophia grads.
Yeah.
So don't show off.
Yeah.
I got people too.
No, but I left Sophia actually
Yeah.
within a couple of months because I got into Jamia, which had a 2-year master's program. Dali.
But women in Delhi?
I know I had my share of mauling in
You're
Delhi.
saying it with a smile.
What to do now? Like
Wow.
life, you kind of
How
have
can
to
I fight this fight anymore?
Yeah,
This is the
dude,
attitude.
it's terrible.
Huh.
And yeah, because we were film students, and then the consulates used to have these Swiss consulate or German consulate would have like films that they would screen at night. And in Delhi, when you leave back, I'm talking when the dinosaurs roamed the earth, there was like no taxis and all. So you would be
So how do
walking on empty streets. So you'd all obviously try and stay in a group and walk to the nearest
And then
taxi stand. Delhi used to have taxi
The
stands.
fattest girl will get caught. Because that's the predator thing, right?
What?
The weakest prey gets caught. The one who runs this. That's why I have a friend called Kunal who's really fat. I also walk in Gurgaon because I know I can outrun him. So if anything happens, they get him.
He'll be the one caught.
Yeah,
Cyrus.
that's the law of the jungle.
Yeah.
We're talking about the jungle here. So you actually was walking.
You're prepared with those shoes.
She's upset with my shoes, which I don't know if I can stretch my legs. Manik Unwala shoes, now about 8-9 years old.
Yeah.
But like I tell
You're
ev-
competing with Lal Singh Chadda.
See, I'm a real rough. Yeah. Wow. I wasn't going to bring that up. That's a touchy topic. Yeah.
Why?
No?
Not
Yeah.
touchy. No. Oh my God, what the hell happened to your leg?
Oh, that midget women who like me, wherever I go, they're like, Siren. No, it's deadlift.
What
deadlifts.
shit you talk?
The same leg, a bad technique, I guess. The same left shin.
Oh,
Same
you have
thing.
it on both legs. So your technique's
Yeah.
bad overall, basically.
No, but it's more left because I do this grip. I over-under. I don't do this grip.
Okay.
Are we discussing this?
Yeah, this grip basically.
No, this grip.
Oh,
over
this.
under.
Ah.
Yeah. Because I'm old school. I'm in my 50s, Kiran.
Oh, congratulations.
So everything
but
I've learned-
no, that over under, you do switch every so
No, I
often,
don't,
or you
because
do it
there's,
only once?
there's pain in my one wrist, so I can only this left hand I can't do this one.
I think I'm recommending now you do yoga and Pilates
And drink hot water.
and drink hot water. Let's turn your on, Cyrus.
Yoga is the kind of thing I've tried it once and I fell
Yeah.
asleep because I find
It is a bit
too slow. Yeah.
it can be, but if you do like the flow,
The
that
power
what's
yoga?
it called? Not power yoga. It's
Hot
called
yoga.
Arey no, yeah.
There's a hot yoga. Don't laugh.
There is. Yeah.
Abhay sir's full name is Abhay sir bench hota. He wanted to remove the sir, so we said we'll give you a gali and then people will say it with more, affection. There is a hot yoga. Okay, you can Google it right now, guys.
Yeah.
Lapata.
But you're not
sorry.
you're not keen on yoga clearly.
Hate it.
Okay.
Wrong thing to say today, but I
Why
can't
is it
stand it.
National Yoga Day, World Yoga Day?
No, it's supposed to be a very, our product. We should be proud. For me, I think it's really
Oh,
not good.
today as in.
I
today.
honestly, I see old people doing it. I think you fool them.
No,
You
no,
actually think
it's
the
great.
slower they
You
get,
can
the
do
better
really
they get.
nice things
Get
with-
up and run.
No.
No, too
No,
much?
yeah. So you know what? All the silly stretches that we do when you go to train, you don't stretch when you train.
Never stretch.
Cyrus.
Stretching is the most overrated. Now you're getting into a very dirty area here.
No, this is the area
Stretching
we should
is
get
wrong.
into.
All you have to do is lift your weights. Just take the
You
bar.
have to
You mimic what you're
condition
going
the
to do.
muscle
You
before
condition
you.
your muscle by doing the same thing. What's the
just
point of going
squatting.
and questioning your sexuality in your 50s? Who does all that nonsense? You have an old man putting his leg up and they can't put it back down, So, hey, can you help me? It's stuck on the bench. You don't do all that nonsense. Just get into the training. I'm old school. If you look-
Cyrus, in life that now 50s is like still now young.
No, I'm
what if
saying-
you live to 90s, right? You should
I
be
still
able
won't
to turn
stretch.
around and move your arms and all. You'll be stuck otherwise.
No, I've kept people.
People.
Don't worry about it. Kiran, you're overthinking the subject. Really. Why are we talking about deadlifts? We were in the middle of a nice. You were in Jamia.
Yes, I was in Jamia.
So, why
Yeah.
did you leave Sophia?
To go to Jamia,
Film
actually,
school.
yeah, it's so Sophia was a 1-year course, and it kind of was social communications media.
Yeah, I don't think there was a films course. As
It was,
such.
yeah, it was a little more
Mixed
sort
bag.
of talking about communication and media in general.
And you learned what we learned.
the
Battleship
Jamia-
Potemkin and all the usual 2, 3, 1 felony dropped in here and
Yeah, no, but it was lovely. We saw some lovely. In the 2 months that I was there, I saw some good stuff. But Jamia started. I was waiting actually for the results to come. Jamia results came after Sophia
tough
had
to get in and all.
started. It's tough to get in. So once you got the results, then I kind of left.
there. Oh, so that was your safety. Sophia was your safety.
No, it would have been good, but it's like a 1-year course, and the Jamia was a
But
master's.
you stole a seat.
Yeah,
Kiran.
I did,
Some
actually.
kid didn't benefit.
No, I think
And
someone.
that kid made a film after that. And we are suffering because of that damn kid. I'm not talking about Rohit Shetty. I'm just talking about generally. Okay. But some kid lost that seat to you. Yeah.
You're right. No, and I left within a month and a half. I'm hoping they took someone. Oh, now you make me feel super guilty.
I
30
know.
years later.
Some
Shut
poor
up, yeah,
kid,
Cyrus. Keep
you
quiet.
know, from
So anyway.
the interiors who came there with a bag and they said, "Your house full. Wapas ja." She took 4 days to go back. Her parents were passing away. And then, then after 2 months, how do you contact her? There's no internet, nothing. I mean, she's just...
Yeah.
And today she's a member
And
of
then-
parliament. It's because
yeah,
of you.
then
We screwed this woman up.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it's
That's
true.
a really good
That's how
one.
they land up. Why do you become a politician? Sonny, like, और कुछ नहीं कर सकता चलो ठीक है. Let's
Yeah,
go for
ये
this.
करते हैं. Yeah, correct. I can.
Jamia.
Correct.
So you get into Jamia.
So I got into Jamia.
So you
and I
wanted to be a
did.
filmmaker from a very early age.
You know,
looks like.
honestly, at that point, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do within the filmmaking kind of visual arts space. And I thought, going there would sort of give
But
me
were you
the
inclined
direction.
to advertising? We were going through your, don't mind, the biography of the great Kiran Rao. And so
Yeah.
was advertising, I'm just trying to think, going back
No,
in time with
no, advertising though I didn't understand. I mean, I didn't know at all when I went there.
I mean, ad filmmaking.
Because I
and-
came,
because
I
that
came
was-
from Satyajit Ray country. I grew up in Calcutta, so I wanted to make films. Like when I actually went to Jamia, I wasn't even sure I wanted to direct. I thought I wanted to shoot because I loved photography. Actually, I loved all the other things
So
to
you
do with
weren't sure
film.
is
So
what you're saying.
music, photography, writing, poetry, all these other things. So I didn't know that all of that actually. Film is a combination of all these arts, right? Performance. I used to love to act.
Well, not
you
all
know?
films, but yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So
You like to act as well.
yeah, I used to act when I was in school. I used to fully enjoy it. I still love the idea of
But
like
now
performance.
you haven't
know?
acted in your films.
No.
Why not? You save money.
I know. Chee, save money.
I was thinking. And
Who
presenting.
said I pay my actors?
Oh, Ravi Kishan.
Yeah.
BMW
Ravi-
7 Series.
Yeah.
And he's not yet a politician.
No, he's a proper politician.
yes,
he's
yes.
a sitting MP.
He's a sitting MP. That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Sitting in many cars.
Yeah. He's
We want to get him on. We nearly got him on, by the
politician.
way.
Yeah.
Do you know him
He's,
well enough
uh,
because you worked with him? and all that?
Absolutely.
Can you call him and say, Ravi,
Absolutely. 100%.
save the people tomorrow. Come and do our show today.
Yeah, for sure. He'll do it.
It's quite
He'll
funny.
enjoy it. He's actually an ex Bandra guy, you know.
Yeah, I think he's
grew up
Salman's
here.
friend. And
Yeah, he grew up here and
yeah.
fantastic actor. Fantastic actor. Anyway, so when I went to Jamia, I realized that I wanted to do this. I mean, I wanted to make films, not just be a cinematographer or an editor. I wanted to direct. They didn't teach us to write, so I kind of relied on my own whatever.
That's odd. There was no script class.
Yeah, strange. I don't know whether they have it now. They didn't have a writing program
So
back then.
they were copying South Indian films even then. It was like, yeah, dekho.
How rude.
Let's make it.
Rubbish. No, actually, when I was in Jamia, everybody traditionally kind of migrated to television and NDTV and Barkha and all were my
Yeah, yeah.
seniors.
Oh.
So yeah, Barkha, Rajdeep. I think Rajdeep was also at Jamia. I'm not sure.
Rajdeep studied law. Went to Oxford or
Maybe I was
Cambridge.
wrong about that.
Yeah.
But
He opened
lots
the
of
batting
these
for
people.
combined universities against Malcolm Marshall in the 85-86.
Oh
You're not interested?
no.
Deadlifts we can talk about. Malcolm Marshall, one of the greatest of all time, not a word.
Malcolm
Poor
Marshall's a
Rajdeep, whatever
cricketer.
he's facing from the political elite.
Sorry, Malcolm Marshall cricketer, na?
Cricketer
Sorry.
passed away. One of the best bowlers the world has ever seen. My God, Kiran, I'm so upset.
I'm so sorry. Sports not my. No, actually, yeah. No, sports not my strong point.
Not really?
No.
Can you name 5 cricketers in Mumbai Indians?
Yeah. Mumbai Indians.
Yeah.
No, I can name 5 Indian cricketers.
Oh, we're starting with us. Okay, that's the
Broad.
level. Broad is actually from England, and his father is actually of South African descent and played for England.
Okay.
Yeah. If you're talking about Broad, the cricketer.
No, I'm
okay.
not.
5 cricketers.
You're really going there?
No.
Shucks, I'm very nervous.
3?
Yeah. Virat Kohli.
Very good.
Apna Rohit. Rohit.
It's the most common Indian name.
Rohit Sharma.
Ah, very good.
Dude. And
Tension.
oh my God, you're giving me full tension.
I'm also feeling tension.
Shami. Mohammad
Shami. Oh, wow. Not bad. Good. One female cricketer. Indian.
OMGs, guys.
Oh!
Come on, don't do this to me.
This is how women let women down. Women
Oh
don't follow
my
women's
God,
sports.
this is
Kiska galti hai,
not
Banjor? I'm just for my north belt. I like it this way. Yeah. Jemima's been on a show. Just see Jemima's Bandra girl.
Yeah.
Right from
How
around
cool.
the neighborhood. Super girl, plays guitar and all that.
How
She's
cool.
very talented.
Yeah, no, I want to get into it. I've been like, I don't know cricket
I
at
tell you
all,
one
honestly.
thing, get into watching the
Women's,
women's
IPL.
cricket, whatever. Not just
WIPL.
IPL, whatever. The Indian women's team, just follow them a little bit.
Yeah.
Once you get into it, you get over this sexism about, oh, how they're playing. They're fantastic.
Obviously.
It's really close games that they play.
Yeah.
Mostly white ball cricket. It's great fun. I love it. Plus, there's also the lecherous part of me because occasionally they're better to look at. Not all. Some. Let's be clear. I don't think we're getting anybody from the team.
Yeah,
That's it.
coming to your show.
That's,
They'll be
you're
like
the last
this.
guest.
Yeah.
It looks like after meeting you,
They're like,
I'll be
how
Lapata.
you sat there through his
Lapata
sexist-
is me.
Yeah, you'll be Lapata.
Yeah, Lapata. Keep saying it till the end of the show.
Lapata. Oh, God.
You can't teach a goat anything.
You're
beyond a point.
terrible. Yeah. Huh?
Jamia. So
Then-
you still want
So
clear.
I studied there. Then I studied film. I came to Bombay thinking I'll make movies.
So when you
thinking
graduate,
it would be so easy
just
to
tell us
make
when
movies.
you guys get out of Jamia with this prestigious thing and all that. There's nobody there to say, would you like to work with me in
Nothing.
this film unit?
No, there still isn't actually. Like you
She
come
just
out
left.
of film school and nobody cares. Like
Really?
nobody cares. Literally nobody cares.
So you're
I
at
came
zero
to
when you
Bombay.
come out.
I came out like pretty zero because also money was all
Yeah.
in film. So I came to Bombay. My parents didn't know anything about film.
Why
They
did
were
you go
like,
back to
you are
Kolkata?
on your
All
own.
this Satyajit Ray and all that.
Well, my parents actually moved to Bangalore because we are from the south.
Okay.
So they moved back to whatever. They live in Bangalore, so they moved there. And so there was no one in Calcutta left to work
No, there
with.
are people.
I mean, there was no one from my
I mean, there are a
family.
lot of people. I just come back from Cal. It's really crowded. Okay, so they moved to Bangalore. So,
they
you
moved.
said big
So
bad
I
Mumbai.
didn't have to. I kind of like the option was to move to Bangalore, which was obviously not an option. Don't know Kannada. The industry is not something.
There's no water. Then there was.
So then I came to Bombay and thought like, it's going to be so easy to make a film.
But you had no contacts.
Nothing, no. At all. So I came and lived with my uncle and his family in Chembur, and I was like,
Who were nothing to do
within
with-
2
nothing to do
weeks,
with films.
My uncle's like physicist, worked
Wow.
at BARC.
I mean, that's
Yeah.
really funny.
Yeah.
You thought, I'll go hang out with him and a movie will happen.
Yeah, because they were my local guardians when I was in Sophia College.
enough,
I was in
yeah.
Sophia College, by the way, not the Polytech. So I said like 2 weeks I have to get a job because I can't be living with them longer than that. So then I kind of like had a couple of friends who were my seniors, like Rima Kagti, who you might have heard of. A couple of other people, Ruchi and Narayan and people
Ruchi
like that.
was in college. Xavier's.
Yeah.
I remember very well.
Yeah. So Ruchi, I knew through
Very pretty.
Rima. Continues to be gorgeous.
I would say
so-
that because I don't know. I mean,
yeah, okay. So
I haven't seen her in years.
Ruchi and Rima, all these people actually kind of guided me. They were like, okay, this, ad filmmaker is looking for an AD. And at
That's
that
the
point,
Kapoor.
it was... Shameen Desai.
Shameen Desai, Channel V.
Channel V.
Oh, he passed away.
He passed away.
I love that guy. When I was drinking, he was one of my drinking partners.
Oh, really?
Oh, we drank. He could hold his
Oh,
drink.
my God.
Oh, my God.
And how?
Oof.
And
Respect.
so, yeah.
He was, I mean, there are a few people who outdrunk me when I was drinking. I don't want to really, what a guy.
Why, was drinking means? No longer?
I quit in 2015. Long story. This is not my show. You have to
okay,
come back and interview me.
Okay, cool.
But now you've become a very famous filmmaker. You don't need to go back in your life.
Huh.
If things don't work out and you've left this country and there's nothing else, then we'll talk. Yeah, Shameen. Huh.
Over
He
a
was,
drink.
he was very good and he was very.
Yeah, so I kind of like I was his AD for a year and a half, and that's when because of working with him, I was able to live in Bombay because I earned a salary. I moved out of my uncle's place, rented a place in Gamdevi basically, Laburnum Road, and then
Laburnum Road, 5 minutes from my house.
yeah.
Kiran!
Yeah.
Welcome home!
I'm also a South Bombay girl.
You
but
are?
part South Bombay, but now most of my life in Bandra.
When you're successful, you can't be in South Bombay. You have to leave.
So then I got a call one.
So you were
famously
assisting
in-
Shamin basically.
I was assisting
You're now doing ad
Shamin.
films more than anything else.
Ad films only,
Yeah, yeah,
and then
yeah.
I kind of like was between jobs, and Reema called and said, "There's this film happening, shooting in Bhuj. Do you want to come?"
Yeah.
And I was like, "Oh, okay, good. I'll get to see what a whole." She was like, "It's 3 months, and you'll do a film."
3 months
and
in Bhuj.
we did it for 6 months. It was a film called Lagan.
I figured when you said Bhuj, but I'm just saying, no, I mean...
6 months.
Not the
And
easiest
cricket.
film to work. Cricket in like medieval times or something.
Yeah.
They're wearing like langoots
100 and something, years
By
old.
the way, just please tell I don't know what your relations are with this
Ex-husband, easy
ex-husband,
to say.
Mr. Amir Khan. But there was no abdomen guard shown in that movie.
What guard?
The abdi guard for the male privates.
But
And-
isn't
and
a langot like a dhoti very good like a guard?
you don't know what it's like to be a man. You can't just wear cloth and walk around. The ball hits you. Believe me, you're not a man anymore. It's not funny. So yeah, they should have done that because they encourage kids all across the country to just bat open.
Oh.
I mean, I have to stop kids at the Oval all the time. Are you wearing? Nahi, main lagaan dekhe. I don't care. Are you wearing? Because that guy, Mr. Paranjpe, will never be a father now because of this situation.
Good only, na?
Good job. Thanks, Amir. Make another one. Yeah. So tell us about the experience. So
Lagan, it was amazing. It was like
did they know it would be
proper
such
film
a cult?
school. Huh?
Nobody
Any
inkling it
knew.
would be
We were
this
like, not at
huge
all.
cult
No.
film.
I was like, I mean, honestly, I was a little bit like you. I hadn't seen a lot of Hindi movies. It feels to me like you're that type who hasn't seen Hindi movies.
I've seen Korean though. Does that help?
No, that's a different
Train to
country.
Busan?
Cyrus, it's another country on that
Come on,
side.
we are-
Like
the
east.
way we are spreading, just a matter of time. Yeah.
So I had also not I didn't have a reference point so much for a film like to know how different it was in some ways than
You've seen Amir films.
I had seen Rangila and QSQT and Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar, films like that, Sarfarosh. But that it was such a, kind of like, it was a huge punt that Amir was taking, massive risk to make a sports film that to set in, 100 odd years ago in Avdhi, in another dialect. So it was I didn't realize that at the time. It
And with
seemed like
Englishmen who weren't Tom Alter.
yeah.
I mean, that's a risk.
I mean,
also.
and I was in charge of like getting all of them into their
Costumes.
layers of like sort of
Thought they were overdressed poor
tulle
chaps,
and
no?
yeah, lots of them. So it was actually quite an experience. I mean, I learnt it was film school literally figuring
Must have
out.
been horribly hot, but no?
It started really cold because we started on the 5th of January and we ended on like around the 5th of June. And
So April, May must have
oh my
been-
God, June, like we were shooting. So by the time we got to April, May, there were like 6 hours in the day when we couldn't shoot. We would shoot till 10 in the morning or 11 in the morning latest and then start again at like 4
It's all
or 5.
outdoors.
Yeah.
God, just think about it. It's the worst thing to be stuck in.
Crazy. And actually, a 3-month shoot became 6 months because of this blowing game of yours, sport of yours. You know?
Yeah, well, it's not really my sport. The British left it behind along with the
Yeah,
railroads
along
and
with-
the bridges, which were fine. And then
And the language and the
Gokhale Bridge.
education system
Oh,
and
language
the
I'm very fond of.
bureaucracy and
Yeah.
much of the legal system. But
Yeah. And the wigs.
And the wigs.
I hope they keep the wigs. I love the wigs.
In Lagan? I
No,
don't
the
know.
wigs in the court.
In court. You like them, huh?
I love the wigs.
I can't imagine how hot it must be and scratchy to wear them. Gee, what a silly idea for what?
But if you're bald,
Huh?
I mean, you're already
You
scot
just get a
free.
good wig, no?
Nobody
Then
ever
you don't have to
knows.
wear these like curls, white color.
Yeah. I'm thinking, imagine if we had a culture, because we men are so touchy about being bald and all that, if we all had wigs. Like it
Yeah.
was just the way it was,
Yeah.
like in medieval times or whatever in Europe and all
Yeah.
that. So we
I
all
mean,
had these wigs and you'd
But
never know.
now it's a thing, Cyrus. So many people wear. Today, in fact, I was watching a thing on Beyonce has launched a hair
Wig?
brand, a hair product.
Peace.
Product brand, like so I don't know what it's called, but everyone was like, oh, do a tutorial of using it, and because they were, because so many people wear wigs, so they were like, does she really have that really long hair? And she, of course, proved that she has amazing, beautiful
Natural hair.
natural
We only know
hair.
if you can pull it.
But the point is like today you can do amazing wigs and like
Not
look
know.
fabulous. Yeah.
Name 10 actors with wigs and go.
10 and all, I don't know.
You see,
Even
one
one,
of them-
I don't know.
Huh?
But lots of them would have to wear
Do the
wigs.
females
for the
have
shoot.
wigs?
No, in India, nobody like really wears wigs unless they have to do 2 timelines and then they have to, Actually, there've been wigs through our shoots. Of course, in Lagan, there were so many women with wigs
Yeah.
because they had to like have those curls and weird things, and it was a pain because it was so hot. And not just wigs, the beards were the worst. Because
Women
in the
with Beards
heat-
is my favorite movie. I'm going to watch this again. Wow, wigs and beards.
Oh God! All those guys, and they used to beg us to not have to wear them because then when you're
sweat.
waiting for your shot,
yeah.
it's firstly I mean, old school, the sticking on and all
we
the
used
rest
to use
of
that
it.
on MTV as well. That terrible gum, the
Yeah,
gum
that
that you
gum
use
and the
on
net
envelopes.
that begins to scratch you, and then taking it off to eat. It was all
Taking
horrible.
off, and the smell of that glue
Yeah.
stays. I don't know
Yeah.
if you ever used it, but
I've
it's
never,
horrible. Horrible.
thankfully, had
And
to
because
wear
the
a
sweat
wig,
keeps,
a
it
beard.
keeps no, when you're sweating, and I sweat a lot, and so they would keep putting it back on you. So by the end of the day, you've got like this much glue all over your face.
It's terrible.
Yeah.
And I'm talking 24 years ago, so it wasn't even like
And
good.
you had budgets and had to do it. We had no budgets and had to do it. So at least
I
don't
mean,
feel so
yeah.
bad.
There was a special person, like this Pina Rizzi had come to do makeup and hair. And Nicole and Pina Rizzi did just the beards and to set like the look of the hair and all that. Anyway, it was quite awful for them. But yeah, that
Her name was
kind of...
Drank. Her name was Drank. Pina.
Pina drank.
Huh.
Pina is to drink.
I don't know. Use it in
Pia is
context.
to drank. Anything you say, Cyrus, you're trying to...
Pina drank. मैंने पिया.
Yeah.
Pia drank.
मैं पी चुका. Like I
पी
drank
चुका.
it. हाँ.
Pina.
Pina
would
is
be-
to drink.
Huh.
To drink.
Correct.
Pina, khana.
Are you hinting?
What? That I
We
should
don't have
drink.
anything here. Honestly.
I have my hot water.
That's fine. But in any case, we do whiskey with water, but no whiskey. So that's all we can give you. But okay, let's move on from Lagana. We stuck there. We've got
Yeah,
only
because
some-
I was there for 33 months, not 30 months, 6 months, sorry.
Yeah.
So that year was actually quite an eventful year in my life. I did Lagan, then I did Monsoon Wedding, another classic film. I
Yeah.
was AD on Monsoon Wedding for 3 months that year. Then at the end of the year, Rima and Zoya were both on Dil Chahta Hai. So they were like, do you want to go and do extras casting in Goa? So I was like, yes, of course. So I just lay on a beach for several weeks and pointed a
People in-
camera in
pe-
various
for
directions.
people in the
and cast.
background.
Yeah. Basically, the whole Goa section needed casting, right? The
Could have
the
called me.
girl who cons Saif and like the whole,
the smaller roles.
all those roles. Yeah.
I could have played that role. The girl
You
who
could have
concept.
done.
Come
You
on,
could have done.
Really. And
Yeah.
cheaper.
Yeah.
Less makeup. I was fresh then.
What would you have played Saif's girl? That girl who tricks
I'd have played the
Saif?
car. I don't care. Whatever's available.
Oh,
Okay.
you
I have to
loved
take a
it.
break. Sorry,
Oh.
Kiran. This guy behind the guy who's not paying attention. This is like a typical film shoot. Now, once we start, no one's paying attention. So you can see. He's screaming. Just do
tune
that
off.
acting again. There. This is very Indian. Some kind of gali. Yours. Alright, so we'll take a break and come back. Kiran Rao.
Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcasts Network. On A Century of Stories, Kunal Vijayakar tells the story of the birth of the Chipko movement, a powerful people's revolution that brought about a change in the conservation laws of India. On The Habit Coach, Ashton Doctor explores the intriguing world of numerology and occult science with astronumerologist Gautam Azad. Learn how your birth date and name can shape your life path, personality, and destiny. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word, tell your friends, and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on youtube.com/IVM Podcasts. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week: Omidyar Network India, IDFC First Bank, and ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund. Thank you for making this possible.
We're back here after the break because my producers were conformists and wants me to say that. I don't know why in this modern era we have to still say, welcome back.
Back,
I guess, what kind of idiot doesn't know you're
Achha,
back?
so you have been at it like doing this for since
Ageism. Start. Take your
dinosaurs
shots.
roamed the earth.
Yeah.
Huh? So
I've-
you all used to have to do all this back from the break
Oh my
and all
God.
this.
And we used to have these young producers who would be very anal about these small things.
Yeah.
They won't listen to what you're saying. The whole conversation is a waste of time. But they're very touchy about the break. break
Outro
bola.
and intro.
Break liya. Yeah,
Yeah.
intro. Yeah, God, man. Anyway, all of them are doing really well running channels and all now. So, no, just kidding. Just a bitter old lady. You did Monsoon Wedding. All these quality films. But
Yeah.
you're an AD on these, right?
Yeah, I was
So you don't have any sort of creative control, really.
Not at all. I'm a minion. Like
So, but then-
proper General Dog's body. Get the coffee.
But then how does the jump happen?
Get shouted at when
Yeah, I can
things go
imagine.
wrong. I was just like constantly being yelled
actually
at
the
by
people
Rima
don't know.
Karti. Let me say, so she was like a horrible, horrible secretary. She would like be on my case. Yeah, I mean, that was
No,
her
but
job.
people don't know it is actually the worst job because
Yeah.
everybody takes it out. Like whatever frustration of the actor or the technician or whatever, it comes out on the one person that they can shout at who's
Yeah.
actually doing all the running around.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically.
Did you become a better
Not done
person?
actually doing all the running around. She was running around like crazy as well. We were actually only 4 ADs handling a giant ass set, honestly. And it was a film that was being shot live sound, like one of the first big films, which then started
Sync?
the trend. Yeah.
But it's all outdoors with sync.
It's all outdoors.
They didn't redo.
And you would imagine because you're out so far away from
Yeah.
everything that would be really silent. We had the Indian Air Force of Bhuj Airport doing like these MiG circuits. And that day you can hear them for like 3 minutes before and for 3 minutes after they
Wow.
pass you,
Yeah.
So everybody just waiting on airplane, waiting on aircraft all the time.
Also, it's set 150 years back, so
yeah,
the MiG we couldn't
maybe.
give
Yeah.
tough one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because there are people who
MiGs.
said that in our scriptures there are mentions of
Yeah, of course, flying
jahazes and all,
objects.
flying
Yes,
objects.
of course.
So technically, I'm not totally against
Yeah.
it. You can prove it
You
in
could.
some way. But the Kiran
But
Rao,
even like for miles away, you could hear a tractor or a car like from a highway far away. You know what I mean?
how do you get that sound? This is what I hate about the sound people. They pick that up. Like Russell
Yeah.
Pukudi would pick the crow up while working in MTV.
Yeah,
Because somebody
yeah.
gave him an Oscar for some mistake that he made. But they can't pick up our sound.
Yeah.
But how do they pick up the sound that's millions of miles away and that drives them nuts?
I mean, now actually it's become so for my film Lapta, which I really hope
I
you'll
will
watch.
say it every day, Kiran, till I die. I will wake up and I'll say, no, hello, mummy, nothing. I will go straight into Lapata.
Yeah, kya baat
Lapata.
hai?
Lapata.
Not bad.
Yeah,
Huh.
thanks. I've
So in Lapata we shot a lot on trains.
Yeah.
And it's really because there was like a whole sequence which was on a moving train where there was like a conversation between people in this
But
compartment.
you want the real sound then, no?
You want the real sound, and we're shooting on real trains, which most people like shoot on a set, right? We want this train and we want the real sound, and it's really hard actually to, because it's also in slightly Bhojpuri Hindi and all the rest of it. But
And you can't make them
kudos to
shout because they're
yeah.
sitting in a train, so it won't make any sense if they
I mean,
suddenly-
they had to be. They actually realistically, you do pitch up a bit. Like when you're shooting on a train set, you realize.
Yeah. To be above that sound.
You have to like pitch it up to be realistic because
Yeah.
later you can add the sound, but people are talking like this,
Yeah.
Like you can't be talking like this. You'll be slightly like,
Just naturally you'll
naturally
pick up
you would do that. So, but my sound recordist, Ravi Dev, I didn't dub a word. He was so good. So I think
But the
mics have
clarity was there in
changed.
the conversation and all?
Brilliant.
So I don't have to see it
Brilliant.
again. I'm just kidding. I'm
You
just
don't
kidding.
see it again means
I
you've not
know,
seen it
just
once also.
God, I'm like, come on.
come
So
on.
mean to an old man. So where were we? We'll come back to that. We still have a little time. You finished with, well, not finished with, you were doing this
So
80 thing.
Lagan,
But what was
Monsoon
in your mind?
Wedding.
But in your
and
mind, what do you
then
want to do at this point?
I wanted to write. So when I used to be like gig economy worker basically. I would get a job, be working for as long as it paid me, and then look for a job and worry whether your savings would last and you could pay rent. So that first year actually.
No, but now you work with Amir Khan. You worked on Monsoon
No,
Wedding.
but like
So you're
features didn't pay. It was advertising that actually paid me the money to live in Bombay. Features just didn't. And now, like actually with Lagan, the first AD kind of system was.
I heard they get paid like a
came
lakh a
into-
day and all.
Now they get paid really well.
Yeah.
But back
We are
when.
borrowing money from an AD to pay for this podcast. I'll give it back, Mr.
So
Ghosh.
it was much later that it kind of became, because advertising started paying, first ADs. Because I'd worked on Lagan, I was hired as a first AD by like Highlight and Cocois.
And you become the crowd specialist, I guess.
Yeah.
You're handling so many people.
No, I mean, yeah, when you're working with as a first, you're doing everything. You're like, you have then ADs under you. And for me, that was when I actually earned my money. I was able to buy a computer and a car and all the, things in the early 2000s, which were like super expensive to buy. And things like that. So that was advertising.
This was before Spinny. Spinny changed a lot of lives.
What is Spinny?
Spinny, you can get like second-hand cars.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
No, I bought my dad's Maruti 800. He sold it to me for 1 lakh rupees. Have you ever?
Such American story.
Dude,
the
it's
father
amazing. Because
sells
my
to the
father
daughter.
was like, look, this is the only way
You
you'll
South
save
Indians,
money.
I tell you. What the hell?
I loved it because he was going to otherwise sell it to the market.
How much?
He also,
let's
1
do the
lakh.
maths. 1 lakh, how old?
It was, I don't remember how old the car was, but this was back in 2000.
How many kilometers on it? You have
Who
any
knows,
idea?
yeah. Like
But these are important
20 years
questions.
ago, how do I ask all this?
Which
to
car?
remember? To Maruti 800.
Maruti 800.
Her name
very
was
durable,
Luna.
Very
Luna.
durable.
I named her also. She was
Durga.
so cute. Luna.
Luna.
Yeah.
I'm old.
Yeah.
Sound issue.
Loony is what you are.
I need that Ravi Dev here
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now.
Huh.
Loony, is it? Now taking pot shots. 45 minutes into the conversation is worse than my wife, just abusing me for no reason. So that's a cute story. So your dad sells it to you.
Yeah.
And you can get your own
And
car.
we
all that.
drive it from Bangalore on the newly minted
Wow.
expressway. When was the expressway built? 2004-ish? 3, 4?
Yeah, sure.
3 or so? Something like that.
I
3,
was
4.
called for the inauguration.
Yeah.
Just didn't go.
Uh,
I think Uddhav and gang were waiting on this side.
yeah.
So just to stop it. Too much infrastructure in Karnataka makes Maharashtra look bad. So you have to stop it immediately. Stop there. So you drove it. It's quite a drive.
It's quite a drive.
Yeah.
Back then, my
Alone?
dad and I.
Okay. How does he go back? You're
No,
driving back again.
No, so stupid. No, but that's like was my first car, my first ever purchase of a car.
I think
And
more than
then-
your first boyfriend or girlfriend, first car is huge.
Yeah, it's a
Is there
memorable
self
thing.
of like you stepped up,
Yeah,
sort
yeah.
of on your own.
Yeah,
Not the people who just get a
my
car.
dad
that's different.
actually was really keen. He's been really like such an encouraging kind of like father in
Very
that sense.
practical
Very
encouragement.
practical, because he was like, listen, you have to save. So you know what? If I just give you this car, then you'll just like this
You
is
won't
your
value it.
saving. I'm putting it in an account for you, but you're paying
They
me.
used to do that with marriages also. Then we stopped the whole practice. And about
Yeah.
the whole thing, value it. Here's a value. No value. Parts of Africa, they still, it's according to the cattle.
What?
Not so holy
Your-
animals.
your-
Your value is determined. I'm being
By
very careful.
cattle. Huh.
Some people take offense.
You are being careful. This is you being careful.
Because I
Cyrus.
have a lot of fans in
It's
Africa.
amazing.
In Zanzibar, I'm huge. There's Freddie Mercury. There's me. There's some fish.
And in car also, you're huge.
In car, we don't even have parking. Anyone doesn't have parking in Bandra Khar area is nobody.
Yeah.
All right, the special people. You have parking?
Yeah.
Of course.
Obvio.
Kiran Rao, there must be a bloody statue. Right
No, but
there.
I do. I have to struggle a little bit to keep it out of like the crow shit. in
That's your
my-
problem.
Yeah.
You just you have a parking space.
We have a parking space. In fact, our building is quite lovely. It's that old school building which used to like have space
garages.
for kids to play, basically.
Oh, compound and all
Yeah,
that.
which is now full of cars. Obviously, everybody has
I
2 and
love
3
the
cars.
concept of compounds, but I don't like kids.
Ah,
I
okay.
wish there was just compounds and there was just maybe dogs and the old
That's
people.
a lot of people who don't like kids, honestly.
I don't hate them, but the thing is that they're too close all the time.
Yeah?
Then what do you do?
Close to who?
Like kids, they don't have any idea of valuing proximity and all that, right? So they'll just come and stand in your territory, look at your face. After
They're
5,
usually
I'm okay.
not interested at all in adults. I'm surprised. They must find you very interesting, Cyrus.
Oh, infant.
Yeah.
May also be like, ye bhi bacha hai. Maybe one of those.
Yeah.
Back to your story. So you got the car.
Yeah.
You're still doing the AD stuff, but it's paying bills, plus the ad films
Yeah.
is paying bills.
Yeah.
Then how does Kiran Rao become Kiran Rao the director?
No, so then I was trying really hard to write, but you asked me what did you want to do? I was trying to write, but somehow I was trying to think why it didn't work, and it was probably because I was always stressed about when the next job would come, and I was like,
So you didn't get a period of...
I didn't get a period where
time
my
off.
money was
Yeah,
enough
yeah,
where you
yeah,
can just
yeah.
go off and write. And honestly, I guess I'm also a bit lazy because I believe like under stress, like so many people have done full
come back at
jobs
night
and then at
and-
night
yeah, yeah, yeah.
written
I hate
novels.
those people.
I hate those people,
Really?
bro. I mean,
No
overachieving.
excuses. Oh, I wrote 2 hours, I didn't sleep.
Yeah, very annoying. So I was not that, and then I kind of like in 2000 I was working on advertising a lot, saving, trying to like moved from very 1 BHK type, like not even 1 BHK, like 1 room kitchen
1
to,
BHK in
to 1
Mumbai
BHK.
is like
yeah.
a 4
no,
BHK
my friends
elsewhere.
in Delhi used to be shocked
Yeah,
at
I
my
know.
rent. They were like, dude, you're
Delhiites,
paying more than I'm earning.
They
you
cry.
don't just rent.
When the cousins come down and all, they
Yeah,
cry
yeah.
how bad your halat is and all.
Yeah, it was
horrible,
really
yeah.
horrible. But yeah, I had a pretty, luckily for all the kind of like advertising work, had a decent life. And then I, at some point I worked on a bunch of other films. I worked on one iWorks film, IMAX iWorks type. I worked on Satya a little bit. Then I did Swades, which was a very long period I worked on Swades. And then I kind of like reconnected with Amir because he was shooting Mangal Pandey also at that
The Rising.
time. The Rising.
See, only time I interviewed him.
Yeah? Okay.
And
So,
that's the film that didn't do well. All before and
Yeah.
after did.
yeah.
So, hey, Amir, next time. Think twice. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's when I kind of met Amir. That's when we started seeing each other and I moved into...
Was that Mangal Pandey look true to what he would have looked like? The mustache and the hair and all that? Or
I
did
have
we?
no idea what he looked like in real life. I don't think anybody knows.
There might be some
Regular
record. No?
sepoy. I mean,
There's
there are
no-
written records
no
of
painting or
the
drawing of
first
him
war
by-
of independence, but I'm sure there are. I mean, Ketan must have done solid research. So there must be some record of maybe what he looked like. But it's very interesting actually that there's lots of history that people have collected from other sources and not like, historians, but like the people who lived through that time. So sepoys' letters home and, people... whatever, who lived at that time. So I don't know whether they're like
Physical
paintings
descriptions
of
yeah.
of a sepoy.
Yeah.
Like
and letter won't
Mangal.
mention he's 5'5". I
Yeah.
really like him.
Yeah.
He's got a nice mooch.
Yeah, he's got
Nobody
a
could get that.
thick, lustrous, long hair.
Yeah, I
No,
played with
aisa
it
to
today.
nahi
Yeah,
hai.
that won't happen. No. That sounds like my letters.
Yeah. So that's when I actually kind of started working with Amir
But
Khan
you didn't write. You
Productions.
said you were trying to write. Did you
So
write or not?
while Mangal was happening, I was working on Swades, and when Swades kind of got over, Amir had started working on Rang De Basanti. And Rang De Basanti, when he was shooting for Rang De Basanti, because we were dating, I was like, okay, chalo, he's traveling for 2 or 3 months. Let me take these 2-3 months to travel with and write. So actually, I wrote Dhobi Ghat, my first film, while Amir was shooting for Rang De, which was great because I was in like nondescript like hotel rooms in Jalandhar and Ludhiana.
But you
and
didn't have a time frame.
Amritsar
You were
and-
just like, I'll just keep writing and
no,
let's see
I
what
needed
happens.
to. I had an idea and I knew what I wanted to do, but I needed to sit down. I'd never written a screenplay before, and honestly, I'd never even made a short film except at Jamia before. So I needed to sit down and kind of write it out. And I got that 2-3 months to do it, which was great because they would go off in the morning at 5:30 and come back in the evening. So I had the day to myself. And I wrote Dhobi Ghat then, but I didn't make it till 3 or 4 years after.
You showed it to people?
The writing? Yeah,
Yeah.
I read it. I narrated it to Amir, who was terrified that he would hate it.
How did you go with the subject though?
I knew I wanted to do something around Bombay because it's a city that fascinates me, a city that I love.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think it's taking it too far.
Yeah.
I mean, it's nice.
It's amazing.
From far. Like when you're on the plane and you don't see that blue stuff as it lands, dark night, it's good. When you actually live here to say all this, I mean, I don't know. Are they threatening you? I know people. So, no, but it's
Yeah, because I've lived in Delhi, I've lived in Calcutta, my parents are from Bangalore, I've lived in Bombay. Okay, I was in college here.
Yeah.
So, there's something about
But where did the
it's a
Dhobi
real
Ghat
city,
setting come from? I know it's a love story.
it was so one of the characters I knew would be this Dhobi, the Munna, the character that Pratik plays, Pratik
Babbar.
So I kind of wanted these lives that intersect because Bombay is a bit like that, right? We are all little islands on the island, and still our lives are constantly sort of brushing against people very unlike us, and we become very close to people from different backgrounds.
I find I'm closer to people like Zomato and all that now. I'm much happier with just that kind of relationship. But that's the modern world.
Very sad.
Yours is a more romantic
sad.
time
Yeah.
that you're talking about.
I mean, I wrote it in 2005.
Yeah.
I made it in 2009, 8-9. So in between, we set up the production house, and we made Tare Zameen Par and produced other stuff. Pipli Live and Delhi Belly, and all those things were happening around that time. And when I was
But
also
there you're a
shooting.
producer, right?
Yeah.
But active
Associate
producer.
producer
So you're
and
also,
producer.
it's not like you're on the set now.
I mean, for Tare Zameen Par, I was practically the first AD also.
Oh, God.
But because I was, we were just restarting the production house again. But on others, it was more a variety of jobs. I mean, Amir is always like the key producer who takes most of the producing decisions and financial decisions, which is great.
Do you all fight? I mean, did you fight then?
No, in fact, I was learning because I didn't have any experience as a producer. I learned a lot working with Amir, especially the early years. Also because he's very hands-on, and it's a very boutique company without calling it that, because it kind of starts up only when you have something to make. It's not like, we just make things as factory line production.
I mean, there's
right?
no script or whatever.
Yeah, but there are companies that just hire 100
next
people
one
and
and the
then
next
they
one.
need to keep making stuff, right?
Yeah.
And with Amir, it's never been that. It's like a subject that interests him, he wants to make. So,
can I ask one question? Sorry to interrupt, but does he take conveyance?
what
on his
does
own
that even
films?
mean?
Like, You're entitled to conveyance when you work
No,
on a
no,
film.
absolutely
does he
not.
Take, because you guys are do you take your producer?
No.
So, but then why don't you take conveyance for your own film?
Why would you take
Because
conveyance?
the law of conveyance is that you're coming to the set and you should be paid for it, for the
You
journey.
pay yourself for it. You take out from this pocket and put in the other.
But how are you supposed to come to the set? How do you account for it?
What the hell? You take your own car and come quietly. Now, what do you use your money for?
In economics, that doesn't work, Baba. You got to account for why that X has come. Now, X is the producer also, or the lead actor, or the director, or whatever. But they're also coming to the set. I have to account for it. So I'm saying technically you should have taken conveyance.
But
Sort of reverse corruption that screws up our country.
it's terrible. In fact, even this whole thing where huge stars and their boys and whatever,
Yeah.
all are just like it's such a huge expense for a producer. Every day their boys and makeup people are paid
Guys,
like separately.
I know they don't believe me when I tell them the rates
Yeah,
for the
it's
spot
mad.
and the
Yeah,
people
it's crazy.
outside the business. When I talk to them,
They can't believe
they
it.
feel hurt.
Yeah.
They're just wondering what they pay their staff is like.
Which is
nothing.
why it's. I mean, I don't know. As a producer, I just feel like it's
have to change the
makes
system.
it makes it much harder to make good work in some ways. Because there's like so much of this other. I don't know, chutiapa,
Yeah.
like this kind of nonsense that you have to.
I think
account
accounts
for.
is a huge issue. We should look at the accounts in films and where we can save money. Honestly.
Yeah,
I think we're paying too many people too much for nothing half the time.
Yeah, I mean, it's certainly there's lots of leakage which can definitely be, sort of mopped up.
Like, why do you need so many extras? You can have the same guy in different positions.
And shoot the same shot like what motion control.
Yeah,
type.
you sort of, jump cut and you just manage from
No,
there.
but lots of people actually do that. I mean, there are much smarter ways, honestly, of making films, and I fully agree with you.
Thank you very much.
But I'm saying it's okay if your story demands it to do a lot of this. But these kind of things are like conveyance and all for big stars. It doesn't make sense.
It's
or send me
ridiculous.
a car. I mean, like why? You have 3 cars.
That I do. But I can't find my way. Even with GPS.
Okay.
Just to save time. I like to be on time. That's the only
Right.
quality I have.
Right.
So I've always, my manager Kaustav is sitting here. He understands totally.
So this is
So once Mud Island in
directed
those
straight
areas.
at you.
You may not know this. You and Amir Khan work in very lavish surroundings. For the lowest echelon of entertainer, we have to go to Mud Island and find Bhalla Bungalow and sit there. Because,
Like I've never done that.
no, trust me. And it doesn't get easier. So then
And
we
you
do
have to
ask.
take the boat across the smelly creek.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
no, that also you have to wait for it.
No, but
and-
even that's what I do is on the other side, usually production has a car.
Yeah.
But I shot some of my film, this Lapata in Mud. Dude, it's mad that
I'm sorry
like,
I brought it up.
Yeah.
I don't know where it came from.
Yeah, but it's crazy. My car just could not, that gully going to
At the wrong time.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
And all my crew members like Vikash, Tanaji, all on bikes would be like, bye. And be like, swing out.
There's no hope for that.
Horrible.
There are a couple of hours in the morning and the evening you cannot move.
Every day at the end of shoot, coming home was like torture. Anyway.
7-ish, no?
Yeah.
Just getting out. Why
Just
haven't they ever
getting
improved
out.
that area?
Dude, I have no idea.
I mean, we literally
I've
say
been
let's end at
hearing
9.
about that
It's better.
bridge to be built over the creek for generations.
Well, the coastal road was supposed to be up 2 years ago.
Hmm.
The metro, my side of town, was supposed to be up in 2020. So,
Oh,
I mean,
really?
Yeah.
2020?
First they said 4 years, 16 to 20. Then they said
Yeah.
5, 21. Now we'll have the Paris Olympics. Then I don't know where the next Olympics are. So I work on the Olympics schedule. And we'll see which Olympics will celebrate the...
What do
Many-
you watch at the Olympics, by the way? What's your favorite?
I like female wrestling.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting.
That's my favorite. I always feel like I could have been one of them. Yeah.
Good.
If I lost a little...
But wrestling actually, thanks to Dangal, which we made,
Stayed as an Olympic sport.
it's such a great sport.
I
I didn't know
love it.
anything
I'm not
about it.
joking.
Yeah,
I love
it's such
wrestling.
an interesting
Yeah,
sport. Yeah.
The real
Yeah.
Greco-Roman wrestling, not what Kostov watches on TV, which is also fun, but it's a little different. Yeah, completely.
Ah.
Uncle, great film.
Yeah.
I hope you're
You
citing-
saw it? Good,
I
yeah?
saw bits of it.
Oh my God.
Because
Chalo.
I don't want to say bad things like, watching copies which you shouldn't and all that.
Which
but let's,
copies it you shouldn't?
Well, sometimes you get to watch things which are not, the producer won't make any money out of the fact that you watched it. Because it's
Oh,
not.
you did piracy?
I didn't do it.
Liar?
Let's just say I'm in the wrong room at the wrong
What?
time, Baba.
Cyrus.
Don't, how dare you?
Sheesh,
Yeah, I'm being open.
Wrong
I'm
room at the wrong time.
Arey,
Kuch
I want
bhi.
my lawyer. This is not right.
Cyrus.
You don't understand how the world works.
No, I
Kiran,
see. I'm
and the rich
not
people are the worst.
technically-
They're so lazy. This guy, you think he's paid for a ticket? Huh? They'll watch the film before you watch the film that you made. Don't worry. Indians, I don't trust them.
No, see, the thing is, I understand, like, I actually don't have a problem, like, morally in places where you can't get the film, I'm like, please pirate it. But when I'm taking the trouble to release it or put it on an OTT, then
Where
watch
can you
now
not
on that.
get it?
Huh?
Where can you not get it?
Yeah, so my film, I was like, there's a a group called Khabar Lahariya, these journalists, women journalists who work on the ground in like middle India, central India, Bundelkhand, UP.
So you are not released in certain places.
So you won't release in. So they were interviewing me in a Zoom call after my film release, and I was chatting with them, and she said, "नहीं, आपकी film रुक के आ रही थी." मतलब it was stopping and starting, and I was like, "Where did you watch it?" So she said, "You sent us a link." So we sent her a streaming link. So I said, she said, "There's no cinema for kilometers, and we don't even have internet."
Really? Which part of India is this?
Bundelkhand, where she lives.
Called CM.
Yeah. So I'm just
I'm
saying
CM, I'm not going further.
there's places where you will need to.
How sad.
will it get?
That's the one thing that you
a
would
place
get is
where
cinema.
you don't, for instance, have internet also, forget a cinema house, then you get your movies on a pen drive from your panwala. $100 आप जो है आप इस पे load कर दो.
So who makes money on this?
The panwala.
Literally,
Yeah,
that's it.
Yeah.
Oof.
It's an amazing economy, distribution
Make
economy.
next film on
Yeah.
this. Really?
Yeah.
Because
we
you guys work
essentially
6 months to make the movie, put it up.
Yeah.
And
And honestly, now what I want to do is take the film myself and show it in various places where you wouldn't have, say, access to Netflix, which is where the film is going to be in a few days. And like show it to people, because the film, I made it with the intention of like getting a conversation started around women's rights, about what girls,
Well, you
opportunities
did
that girls should
That's
be.
why I fell asleep. She came back and gave me a lecture about how I have to watch this film.
Thank
and
you,
how-
Aisha.
I don't know, there were
Cutie.
6 girls, ladies, not girls, they're in their 50s. 6 women went together and they all came back like revolutionaries. Please don't
Yeah.
make these movies. I have to live with them, not all
Shut
6.
up, yeah.
But one every day. for
So
6
nice,
days.
so nice.
Yeah,
Haan.
yeah.
Yeah, so that kind of thing is where piracy is totally fine. Like, I would want this film. Honestly, I would want in places where they don't have Netflix to pirate this film. Please do.
So your point is better to be seen than not seen at
Absolutely.
all. Worst case
yeah,
scenario.
but otherwise it just makes making films impossible. And honestly, we are really struggling in some ways because post-COVID, the cinema economy kind of collapsed. It's just about found its sort of,
Why is
like
the South appearing to
again.
be thriving? What's the real difference? I mean,
One was because I think they have as many cinema houses, like 5,000 screens in the 4 or 5 states now in the South,
Yeah.
as opposed to the rest of India. We also have only 5,000.
so South alone has the equal amount of rest
Equal
of
number
India?
of cinema screens, yeah.
Go South!
Yeah, that's one.
How
Two
did
is
that
they've
happen?
always they've kind of like advocated for ticket prices to be very affordable. So they want their fans to be able to watch films.
And cinema has never dipped. Cinema watching is cinema. It's not
After
about...
COVID, it kind of like, I think, again, the idea was like, they're trying very hard to, the government has been trying to cap ticket prices, in fact, so low that producers are like, we can't make films if you do this, because, look at a film like Manju Mehel Boys. I haven't seen it. I want to see it. It's supposed to be amazing. It's a Malayalam film.
Malayalam, yeah.
It's been watched
And
across
budget-wise
India.
also probably not that much.
Not that much at all. And it's
Scary
been
now when
watched
these films do well.
around the
Why are
world.
we wasting money?
Yeah, so
Exactly. Getting world acclaim on a small budget. Then why is this podcast not doing better? Small budget, not reaching Bundelkhand. We have no one writing in from there. Please write in if you're watching. It's not fair, man. We're as lefty as you can get in our own way.
yeah.
Granted, we say some wrong things from time to time. But
From time to
it's
time.
early morning. They haven't
Sometimes.
had their coffee. Yeah. What the hell? Anyway, we're running out of time, so let's quickly talk about... So what else is there?
In my life,
Yeah.
lots of things. I have a son.
Yeah, let's
who's,
talk about him quickly. But before that, is there another thing coming up now?
that I'm making.
Are you one of those people who takes that long break
I
in
took
between,
a
or?
very long break to do this one, and while I was on the break, I was like writing and doing a bunch of. But I don't have anything ready written, but
So
I
you
have
don't need to
so
get into
many
the next thing.
projects. I don't need to financially, like as in
No,
like
no,
that.
no. What I mean is creatively, you don't need
I
to
do,
start...
I do. I've been like
Because
desperate to start doing another one. In fact, all these years that I've been waiting to make even Lapata, I was like working really hard at trying to make something. But the writing is hard for me, and I've got lots of
And
great
you're
stories.
stuck now in the sense that you want to write your own thing.
No. I'm collaborating with
'Cause
writers
I've got
because
scripts.
yeah.
Yeah.
Give.
There's just one about this man
Oh,
who wants
God.
to be a dolphin. It's damn cute, yeah. Very mature sort of storytelling that I use
Yeah.
in my shows. And in the end, he gets eaten by a shark. Actually, I thought I'd do that in the interval, and then there'll be a song.
Okay. And what happens second half?
Second half, I'm thinking
Dolphin
now...
and shark fall in love?
No, we start
Okay.
a restaurant.
Oh, sorry. He becomes a dolphin and then he's eaten by a shark.
Yeah.
Ah.
But he's actually still a man because you are what you
Right,
are.
right.
That was the point. You see, there's a whole metaphor in this.
Yeah.
That you are what
Let's
you are. You can't really
lapata
change
your
it.
scripts first and foremost.
Your reaction is the same as everybody else's. I was hoping for something different. But so is there something on the cards
Yeah,
or
there
you don't
is.
want
There
to?
is. There's lots of fun. Like I've
Not
got a
as a
bunch
producer,
of
I'm
things.
saying as a writer
As a
and a
writer,
filmmaker,
all
yeah.
of the stuff that I'm making
Yeah.
is stuff that.
But you're also a
either-
producer. I mean, you wear all these hats.
Yeah, I've started my own company. It's called Kindling Pictures.
Kindling.
Kindling.
I see.
Hmm.
Is it Mandarin?
It's an English word.
Oh, I thought kindling. Sorry, too much. If we cross the line, tell me. Yeah.
It's it's a verb and a noun for your kind information.
All right.
Uh,
We've lost our listenership with that conversation. It's all about grammar now. The rest of this.
So yeah, so the idea was like, let's sort of build some interesting stories that we believe
Sorry to
in
ask,
and
but
enjoy.
this is your own production
This is
with
my
nobody
own.
else.
This is my own.
There's no Amir or partners.
No,
from,
I have a producer I work with called Tanaji. It's just him and me right now, lonely two people in the
Okay.
office. But it's because like we are really interested in developing the ideas, the stories, and then when we need to make them, we'll gather a team. But till then, we are like sort of cooking stuff with different writers, basically.
Which is fair.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't have to keep working, as you said. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. No,
That's
we're writing. We're working every single day.
You are, but I'm saying
Yeah.
the full-fledged production happens when it happens.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't hire
Yeah,
actors who
yeah.
act like it's
No.
a thriving business. See these 5 people leaving
Yeah.
for no reason, looking very exasperated.
So the next thing I want to make is kind of like a supernatural, like kind of paranormal thriller horror genre.
nice.
I'm very excited.
I like that.
Yeah.
I love these scary things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially if they're
God,
slightly
yesterday
real.
I watched a really scary movie. I've realized scary things where creatures are actually not so scary. I don't feel so worried about creatures.
Too much of a leap,
Yeah.
no. But just a little bit.
Just like
Get the door
actually,
open.
yeah.
No, I really like Corn, the film. I don't know if you've seen it.
No.
Ram Gopal Verma.
No, I
It's
haven't seen it.
Not that crazy.
It's not my genre, honestly. It's like something. I'm surprised that I want to do it.
Really? Well, that's out of your comfort zone.
Yeah,
Steve
totally.
Waugh talks about that.
Even this.
That's how people grow. Those who do
Lapata
that.
was a comedy compared to Dobighat, which was like this, like art
Romance,
house.
yeah.
No, it was kind of like a very slice of life art housey film, and this was like full fledged plotty comedy. So
Hmm.
now it's horror, supernatural. So let's see. Let's
Wow,
try
excellent.
some
So
new
horror,
stuff.
then you'll obviously need really ugly people. So let me leave my number. Yeah, whatever happens. Quickly, Azad, we're running out of time. But
Yeah.
quickly, your son.
Yeah.
You're launching him, right?
Not
Oh,
at
somebody's
all.
launching
He's
him.
12.
He's only 12. Okay, damn it.
I mean, no.
Is
I
it
think you're thinking of Amir's, my stepson,
Okay.
Junaid.
Junaid is
Yeah,
being launched.
Yeah.
Where's the frigging research team?
Yeah.
So
They have given you the
he's doing a
research.
movie.
Huh?
He's in the process
he's
of
doing
a movie.
he's doing a
And-
couple of movies
And Azad
actually.
is not interested. He's too young.
Azad is not interested in movies at all. He's interested in anime and manga and
That's because he's 12.
yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm hoping someday he might be interested in film, but he's interested in cooking. He's interested in music, so lots of other cool things.
Artistic side is there, but not
Artistic side is
necessarily-
there. Football.
Will he feel the pressure of having two parents who are
He
established? and famous?
seems capable of thwarting any such
When you go for
overtures
school-
from our
When you go
end.
for school functions and all, do they point at Amir and you and all that?
No. Luckily, our school is not bothered.
Yeah.
He goes to Ascend International School, which is in BKC. Nobody cares.
How much you pay?
A lot. Like 20. No, not 20. Some
Stop
10, 12.
answering.
Oh, I'm not supposed to.
Oh my God. Actually, quite funny actually
Yeah.
when a famous celebrity couple or whatever is standing there, the rest don't start looking or
Yeah.
acting a little odd.
No. They've gotten used to us. He's been in the
yeah.
school for a long time, and it's actually a really nice environment. And he's so happy there. So that's the bottom. That's like the reason we're there.
Okay, last question.
Hmm.
I'm sorry to push you, but we have only allowed 1 hour because the sponsor that we don't have said you have to finish in 60 minutes. So a little bit about your other. What do you do then? Because you seem to work a lot. But
Yeah.
what's Kiran's fun things to do?
Fun things is like sort of I like developing spaces. I have a farm. I'm kind of building. I like building things.
Like architect, like a
yeah,
designer.
like design. Yeah, more planting.
Like a poor man Shah Jahan.
Yeah.
Although he personally didn't build anything.
He didn't
He
build
just pointed
much.
and said black,
White. Yeah.
Oh, the jade one is also there.
Jade.
Did he start the second Taj Mahal? I think the parts of it is there.
Jade. Green
It's
color.
black.
Wow.
Oh, jade is green? I'm so sorry.
Stop talking.
I'm still
This
stuck
is
on
very stop talking.
Lapata. Come on, I haven't graduated from there. Yeah.
Yeah, so I like traveling the great outdoors, but I also like building you know,
Are you
green
a
spaces
backpacker
and
like my wife
gardens.
Aisha, or you
yeah,
like the
yeah.
finer things?
No, I
Or
don't
a
like
mix?
finer things. I like a mix. I like living in like lived spaces, not hotels at all. So Airbnbs and people's homes and
People's homes?
yeah.
How Indian can you be?
Yeah.
Hello, Chacha, I have landed up
not
in
like
Reykjavik.
that. Not like that. But you know, couch surfing homes. Not like
Oh,
properly
okay,
that.
okay.
But
The heart of the city and get the real
yeah,
feel.
I like hiking, going to the mountains a lot. I like music, going to concerts. I dance. I'll try to dance I used
is the
to
last
dance
concert?
every weekend.
Live proper
Friday night,
Yeah?
party girl.
Party girl.
Proper.
Friday night. I used to do a lot of Friday nights while I was drinking
Yeah?
alcohol. It was my favorite night, really.
Yeah.
What to do? We had that release factor of the,
But
looking forward to Friday.
should we go to why you gave up drinking? Next,
I drank too
next-
much.
I drank.
I misbehaved
Huh.
a lot.
Huh.
And the thing is that you can, when 67 women complain that you didn't touch them, then obviously there's a problem. So I had to stop. Yeah, no, it's a long. I'll explain all that. But honestly, I did enjoy parts of drinking. And my entire youth, I drank so much, had so much fun. I did so many bad things. You have no idea.
Yeah,
I was
I
impressed the
can
girls by
imagine.
driving with my feet outside my Maruti.
Oh God.
So I'd get it into like 80, 90 and I put my feet
foolish.
out and not one of them was impressed. And I
Yeah.
kept thinking that the chick loves it. But they go back to their dad, a psycho drove me home with his feet outside the Maruti. I never
Oh,
thought it through,
God.
I was so drunk and full of myself. Your testosterone is raging when you're young. You just think it's great because you think it's fun.
Yeah.
And the girl is like holding on to the other seat thinking, Jesus, I don't want to see this guy ever again.
Yeah.
Oh, horrible stories, yeah.
How amazing that you did it more than once and
Ah.
thought it would be
See,
a
I
good
was-
idea.
I was- we used to-
Amazing.
we-
No
sadly, we-
self-preservation
Kiran,
whatsoever.
my generation, I grew up in the 90s basically and got a license somewhere there. Drinking and driving was not an issue. Nobody even thought
Yeah,
it through.
yeah.
I hate to say this.
Yeah,
The
horrible.
first time I remember going with Malaika to Singapore for an MTV thing where we finished the party, I was pretty drunk, and then we had to stand in line with all these bankers, rich people, and all. It's a very hep culture, so everybody's
Yeah.
well dressed. All stood quietly in line for their taxis.
Yeah.
Each one of them is earning in millions, but not one of them drove. That was the first lesson I got of real world, We in Bombay, we just did what we wanted to.
Yeah, drink and then just like.
Arey, we
But
watched
we didn't have taxis, Uber type situation
Taxis?
those days. We had taxis,
we had a
Kali
famous,
Pilis, yeah.
We used to call Kunal's car Sharabi after the bar in the car thing from Amitabh. I'm a big Amitabh Bachchan fan. So we had a full bar in the car,
Shut
self-drive. I don't know. We didn't know it was wrong.
Yeah, yeah.
So we had. We'd
Thank
get the
God, that
ice
at
and-
least is now.
And the girls,
On the-
everybody would drink because the bar in the car technology. We used to call it bar in the car technology. We thought it was damn cool. It was this silly Maruti car. Passing by, Nakabandis, Inspector, how are you? Kai bolto?
When did
Cheers.
that breathalyzer come? I forgot.
It started coming as I stopped in the mid 2010, 11.
Yeah,
around that
10,
area.
11
Then we had to
times.
start being careful. That's when the world just changed.
No, and
But
then.
we had no idea we were doing wrong things.
Oh my God, that's scary.
And now I have a young daughter and I'm thinking,
Luckily.
God, there'll be men like me who are just so irresponsible, it's ridiculous. Although I dropped girls to their doorstep. Every single day.
Drunk, but
Drunk or not, I would walk them up
genius
to the steps.
behavior.
No,
Thank God nothing
no, I
terrible
didn't.
happened, but
I don't
like
think
horrible.
I did anything like that. But I dropped everybody home. The thing is, they should have been worried about me. You're right.
Yeah.
So somebody should have dropped them home from
Yeah,
me.
yeah,
We got this
exactly.
wrong in the translation. Yeah. Wow.
But yeah, now soon
So you like dancing? It's your show.
like dancing, love driving.
But not drinking and
Not
driving. We're
drinking
against
ever
that.
and
Yeah.
driving. I don't drink much. Actually, I can't drink very much. Anyway,
Cheapo.
and yeah, those are the many music, dancing.
What is the last concert you went for?
The last
Now we have,
concert,
again, you're talking about
yeah.
us growing up 20, 30 years ago. We didn't have access to these bands
I
coming
went to
in.
Jitwam's concert like at Antisocial a little while ago. Oh, and these guys.
Antisocial is not a concert. It's a
It's
small
a gig. I
Yeah.
mean,
Oh, you mean that as
performance.
well? Like
Yeah.
a nightclubby thing?
Yeah.
No,
Now,
I was
every
thinking,
Friday you can't go to a concert.
I just thought it would be like, BKC, one of these big places or... what
Oh
is
yeah,
it?
the last big one I went to was Lollapalooza. I
Huh.
saw Sting.
You caused the traffic jam in
And-
Haji Ali, so I suffered. Yeah. Really.
Boss, I couldn't get to Lolla thanks to the
It doesn't
jam.
not have things in these kind of places because we just
Bro,
get bottlenecks.
really, crazy.
Why can't we have... Here's my point. Navi Mumbai has much more space. Everything should be there. The parliament should be there. All the concerts should be there. Even the cricket stadium, put it there. Put
Dude,
everything
we
there.
went. Cricket stadium is there, na? In Vashi or wherever.
Yeah, but they
Navi
stopped using
Mumbai.
it, D.Y. Patil. They stopped
DY.
using it. Now
Why?
it's back
because,
to Wankhede.
Because it's too far.
Because they said brocha kahan rehta hai? उसको परेशानी करने के लिए मेरे को इधर चाहिए. And they had a full meeting. Let's screw him. And let's do that all the time.
It's terrible.
When you meet the ministers and all, because I know you're a public person, can you ask them to just not put those posters up?
Yeah, no?
It scares my children and other kids. And we're driving and suddenly there's posters of all these, and some of them are trying to pose, which is even worse.
Yeah.
Really, no Milind Soman there, as far as I'm concerned, on those posters.
Correct.
It's a little hard to digest.
And I think we just have too many posters in Bombay.
Too many.
It's just not right. I don't know.
And why are you wishing
now
happy
there's
birthday?
one right there when you come off from the BKC flyover coming into Bandra. There's a giant guy that is moving, and it's like it's like one of those what do you call it?
It's a
LED
performance. Yeah.
posters. And I swear it's because it's moving. You always look up, and it's not a traffic light. You could actually hit something.
This is worse than drinking and driving.
Yeah, it's terrible.
Postering and driving. It's just horrible.
It's properly that one is properly dangerous.
Really?
I think using that we can get rid of posters in Bombay. Look at Delhi; they don't have any of this ugly poster culture.
They have just
only on the.
Let's say they don't have everybody.
Not everywhere.
Yeah, everybody.
Not everywhere.
Not everybody.
They don't have everybody.
Yeah.
No, but also their posters are in. I mean, whatever hoardings are in specific spaces.
It's a much
They're not
bigger
everywhere.
city. It doesn't come in your face. They've got bigger roads.
It's
Everything
so
is bigger.
irritating, yeah.
Here, look at us. We're just one gully after
And
another.
then everything is full
you
of
rich people
hoardings.
live in small lanes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Small
true.
lanes, small houses.
Small houses, small lanes, and you're the rich. Can you imagine what the poor?
Yeah.
Poor. I see people just standing in the road at night, saying, "Boss, yahi hai." They don't have a choice. Abhi sir, I'm
But
sorry to mention it. I saw you last night. I felt bad, but I ignored you. I was with my wife. Sorry.
Such bad one.
Sorry, Karen. My wife, na. Don't say that. I think she worked on Dhobi Ghat. I forgot to ask her
Listen,
whether she
please
did.
give her my
But I
love,
remember
yeah.
fetching her.
Haan.
Did you shoot in Baikala or not?
Baikala.
In
no,
Mohammed Ali Road?
Yeah, we did.
I came twice to fetch her from there, and she was shooting something. Now, was she shooting for you, or was she shooting for a magazine about you? There were only two options.
Maybe. Yeah.
But
no, I
definitely-
feel like I've met her. So we had a photographer who worked on the film as the eyes of Shai, who is the character in the film. So, but that was not her. Her
because it rhymes, Shy and I. So that you'd have remembered.
Yeah.
But no, it's not her.
No.
So but she had something to do with Dhobi Ghat, or at least to shoot
but
you
I
for some
but
reason.
I kind of feel like I've met her.
Yeah, I remember.
I love the way she ribs you about your tight t-shirts. I also have had a husband who wore tight t-shirts.
They're her t-shirts. I try to save money, so
why
we now
do you
share
guys
bras.
do this?
We wear the same bra. Sometimes it's the same bra at the same party. I'll go change now. We go in the bathroom. It's sweet that way. She's because her antecedent is Kachi.
But what is that story with the boys and tight t-shirts? As soon as you all have muscles, you want to wear tight t-shirts.
No, I just wear free clothes, free shoes, free socks, free pants. So for me, it's all free. This IVM has got me.
Acha.
This shirt, yeah. And they don't bother about
It's called
size.
what?
Jennifer's
Ultra
size, so they give it to me and I wear it. And then we give Jennifer a towel. So, because we don't have budget for everybody to have t-shirts. So she's sweet that way. Sorry about it. Yeah. Kiran, the show's over. Thank you. She's really sounds like
Can't talk
being
rubbish.
sarcastic now.
Can't talk shit for longer.
No,
Okay.
we can, but nobody's listening.
one's interested.
We have a good 10 minutes. After that, it's just as far as I know.
Engagement. Gone.
That's enough.
Yeah, bas.
That's enough for us to sell. Anything you want to say that's coming up? There's no project that's coming up we want to discuss yet.
No, I'm looking for producers for all my genius ideas anytime. I mean, producers means financial.
You shouldn't have said this in IVM. A lot of people are looking to work in the film business.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
Really?
Yeah.
No, with
Not
them.
looking for you guys. Yeah. You have to be from Delhi, right?
No, you have to just, be interested in letting me do my thing.
Fair enough. What are the paying scales?
No, I don't want to be. I
Kindle?
don't even need to pay.
Kindling?
Someone has to pay for the film. Which will be, 15, 20 crores?
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Small
Kiran.
price tag.
Yeah.
Okay, chal, 5-10 crores. Okay?
Just let me check. I don't know what I have right now, but I'll get back to you. Kiran Rao, ladies and gentlemen.